This is our hometown hero here in Easley, South Carolina, Kimberly Hampton. This park right here is dedicated to her. She's from Easley, South Carolina, and she flew this helicopter right here. And it's the park they dedicated to her. And this woman was so great in the military. She died young. And she done a whole lot of great things in the military. A whole lot of different things she done in the military. And she died in like 2004. And these are all the awards she got. She got all this stuff done. And we honor our heroes here in Easley, South Carolina. Kimberly Hampton. Look at this beautiful flying machine. I would have been in awe just watching her fly this helicopter right here. And here she is, our war hero, Kimberly Hampton. Born and raised here in Easley, South Carolina. So I love this park right here. I just come here and sit here at the park and just watch her helicopter and just think about how she was in this helicopter. Thank you for watching my video. We honor ours here in Easley, South Carolina. Thank you for watching my video. Kimberly Hampton, thank you for your service.